how it is works, and what are the criteria of CGN student, what helpful for the students and also corporate employees for the colleges and all. So the agenda of the CGN, which is why CGN, how does it looks, and the creating CGN content. So one more quick question. If you have any questions, if you have any idea, any inputs, any updates, you can immediately feel free to stop me, and you can give me updates. And before going to that, can you please explain me about your college? What is the strength of your college? How many branches? And what are the sports club activities clubs you have? And how many TPS? Can you please explain me something?
Okay, I think the question is to me, sir. I'm Suresh Babu, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, my college is, this is actually Government Polytechnic College Palakkad. It's in Kerala. Yeah. Okay, we have, this college was established in the year 1980 with the 2 branches. Now we are having total 6 branches of engineering diploma program in our college. Okay. And 2 of the program, that is electronics and mechanical engineering, has got National Board of Accreditation certificate. It is certified by NBA, and other branches are trying for this NBA the coming years. And the total strength of students is 1,077. That includes
really great.
200 girls student, and the rest is boys. And most of the diploma holders in our institution are getting campus placement. Campus placement rate is approximately 60%, not 100%. Okay, and students are doing well, and this is a government institution. So at the time of admission, we are getting the top ranked students in our institution compared to other private engineering, private polytechnics.
Yeah, gotcha.
Okay. So all are doing well, but the problem is only the infrastructure facilities and the student skill development facility is not functioning well.
Okay.
That's the problem. Otherwise, it's okay, and we are
always the top level almost.
Yeah, almost in the top level. We are coming in 5th rank. Earlier it was first rank for some of the branches, and now we are keeping the 5th rank position among other polytechnics in Kerala. That's the condition.
That's nice. That really sounds good. So, okay. Sir, is there any student leader or someone who can join in our meeting now?
No, sir, it's very sorry, because the student representative will not be able to, because the time is now more now.
Sir, time is okay. There is a revised timing or something for exam.
Yeah.
The campus drives are going on, as you mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
Right. I remember. I'm sorry, I forgot. So one more quick question: what are the clubs you are running in your college, like NSS, NCC, something?
Yeah, we have a strong NCC unit and NSS unit. NCC unit, approximately 110 students are there for NCC. Only 1 unit is there for NCC, and NSS is also doing well, and their strength is now 86.
Any sports club or cultural activities?
Yeah, we have sports and arts club in our institution. Yeah,
sports and
arts.
Also you have cultural activities and all.
Yeah, cultural activities are all there. Students are participating in our Polytechnic Arts and Sports Fest, and they are keeping 2nd prize among the Inter Polytechnic Arts Fest, and sports is also they are doing well.
Oh. So for participating in inter-college championship or anything, do you have sponsors, or you sponsored by your own and reaching out to the colleges for a participation?
Yeah, right now we don't have any sponsors from outside. We are getting fee portion. Part of that fee portion is devoted for this sports and other arts activities. Now sponsoring we are getting. That's the main major problem for our students.
You are facing that, okay, sponsoring.
Yeah,
sponsorship
for getting trained in that specific area, we are struggling actually. Our students, most of the students are from rural side and they are not getting training for this cricket and football. Okay. So we are struggling for that. Most of.
I understood, sir. Yeah, most of because the CGN motto is also the same thing, sir. The people who have a good, energetic, talented, and enthusiastic, which have a skill set, but they don't know how to approach at what time, and they don't know how to reach do his internship, where to go, where to find a job, and what exactly, which are the areas they need to develop the skills and which areas to be focused. So for all these we created a CGN. Actually, we are affiliated with AI CGN Inshallah, and we are the Smart Cookies 360 degrees we work with, and we are the team for Smart Cookies 360. So CGN wants to these all ideas came from our Avinash Kulkarni sir, who is 75 years and still he's running like amazing. And recently he met with Indian governor. So we got a approval for CGN and everything, and also the way he performs he think about why Indian students needs to struggle for internship, do somewhere internship and do his presentation somewhere, find a job in somewhere. So for all these things, he created one platform which is called CGN, which is Continuous Job Network. So entire in India, every state, every student, even in a tribal area, even in the cities or any kind of villages, the student should reach, the CGN should reach to every single student in a fingertip. For that reason, we are connecting all the college TPOs, HODs, deans. Sometimes we are meeting personally, and sometimes like you people are somewhere out of states, we can't come there. So we are trying to set up a Google Zoom meeting where we can introduce CGN, what exactly the CGN means. So going forward, I'm going to explain you exactly what CGN stands for and how it is works and what we need from colleges to implement CGN in the next level where every student can get benefit with CGN. So these are the agenda. Have you gone through? Hope you've gone through this. And also, as I mentioned, you why CGN all and NAP 2020 on job training, process flow of our vision, and windmill of student energy. Yeah, windmill of student energy is very important. I'm going to explain you about that. And we have another team called JNN, which is Job News Network, and user of college clubs for content creation. So all this will be helpful for each and every single aspect for CGN to the students who are joining in a portal. So going forward, for the first slide, CGN. This is our. Hope you're seeing our screen. So this is our CGN platform, which is the TV layout. We connected with all social medias like LinkedIn, Twitter, which is called X now, Facebook, messengers, all the aspects of social media we have connected, and also we have some other team who find out market research who gives all the data of job portal, what are the kind of jobs and everything, and also we have thousands of opening every day, every month, every time, and the students don't know how to reach and how to approach the meetings and all. So I mean, they don't know how to. They don't know how to reach the appropriate job and everything. For that reason, we created a CGN platform where every details, if the student is registered in our portal, which is CGN, and also he needs to log into our smart startup world where all the projects will be distributed and we'll get all the projects in startup world. So we are successfully running our companies since last 25 years, which we already also have a call center, which is US Healthcare. So we have multiple projects and all. So once the student starts his profile, registering with our portal, he'll be getting a training. Once after registering, he need to scan this QR code. He'll be moving to the training session and he'll be assigning with the projects and with the project manager. He'll be under training with the project manager or with the same, which is domain. Okay, like you have 6 domains, 6 to 7 domains, departments. So we also have a multiple domains like Android developer, iOS developer, testing, DevOps, or technical support. So same as per the student requirement, we will be sending by his scanning the QR code. He'll be moving to the training session. Once after the training session, he'll be after completion is all the process and everything. His completion after completion of his uh, internship, close to the internship, he'll be giving an assessment where he'll give his assessment immediately after his assessment. The marks will be pop up with immediately, and also after that, and also in this point, the corporate employees like HRs, managers will be observing, will be tracking the students' work and everywhere in the same portal, and also college professors will be added in the same portal where you can directly access. I mean, you can directly track your student how student is getting, how what kind of work is doing and everything in the same portal. Once his assessment, he'll be moving to the interview rooms where he'll submit his resume and he'll give his interview with one-on-one. After his interview, he'll be getting a job by all everything will be in a one single app, which is by doing his QR scan. And also we came up, and basically that most of the students or experienced candidates were giving their resumes. We're giving their resumes through uh, uh, Adobe file, yeah, to, or else they give with PDF or they give with raw hand, which is raw file. So we came up with a solution by creating a video resume where will be uploaded. The video resume will be created by the student himself, but in the grace of his internship, he'll be getting training for his communication skills and also all the activities. I mean, everything, what are the internship has been done. He will be reading himself, explaining about himself in a video resume, and it will be posted in a interview room. And after that, he can choose his in a job portal, which we'll be posting ads every day. What are the jobs was posted in what company has required what kind of requirement, how many requirement. The right side there is an advertisement bar. This advertisement bar will be posted. Will be adding our ads of jobs. What are the jobs are required? So where student directly can pick the kind of job and go for the interviews and job. So this is how the CGN TV screen layout. So do you have any questions till now? Suresh Babu sir, do you have any questions? Hope you are understanding.
So okay, sir. So the first thing that we have to do is registered in this program, right?
Right. They need to register themselves in this CGN portal. Also, a startup world. We have another which is
Okay.
Yeah. After registering, there is one more point, sir. Student no need to pay 1 rupee as well. Okay, this is completely free of cost, and you send me the students without any paying, and we'll train you without anything, which is completely unpaid from both of sides. The only thing is why you might ask you, okay, you might ask you what will be the benefit for me?
Yeah, definitely. That's what I am thinking.
Of course. Exactly. So I'll give you the question easily because I'm able to understand you by your words. So
Yeah.
you might ask you the question like why what will you get the benefit?
Hmm.
We don't need any kind of benefit. The only benefit we need is our CGN to be developed throughout the pan India. As I mentioned, you have Avinash Kulkarni sir who is established in US. I mean, he was living in US since last 15-20 years, and it's already running in United States, and he earned a lot. And also, we are looking for a sponsors for this company to build our CGN, and we are looking for the sponsors who can really invest, and they also can get a benefit from CGN as well.
So
The profits.
do you have a tie-up with other polytechnics? Any other polytechnics?
Yeah, recently, we recently got approved last year, December, we got approved from the governor, and our Avinash Kulkarni sir personally met with him, and we got approval. Currently, we signed with almost today, just after our meeting, I have another polytechnical college from the MP and also Aurangabad. And from Tamil Nadu, I have one more couple of colleges. And Kerala already have a college name, which is just give me a quick second. Government College of Engineering, Government Engineering College, which is in Kerala. Our TPO sir is
Which college, sir?
Just, government,
Sir, hold on 1 minute.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
are you familiar with Government of India 360-degree feedback program?
Yeah. 360 program.
Okay.
I'm aware.
Okay, we run that for AICTE. Okay. So if you have you used that? Have you given any 360-degree feedback?
360-degree feedback 2 years back. 2 years back,
Right.
our 360-degree feedback we had given it in AICTE. But after that,
Good.
the person who was dealing with this 360-degree feedback details is transferred from this institution. So it is dead now. We are not
Now
updating.
you are really supposed to do it every semester, not only every year, every semester.
Every semester, at the end of every semester.
Right. Now we have an MOU. You asked me if we are connected to any other college. We are connected to 10,000 colleges, all colleges under AICTE. Okay, we have an MOU with AICTE. Okay, if you go on Google and do a search AICTE and Smart Cookie, you will find that MOU. Okay, MOU between AICTE and Smart Cookie. Okay. So as an extension of that, now we are connecting AICTE's internship program and AICTE's placement program. Both these programs will be connected to our CGN project. Okay. So CGN is an extension of Smart Cookie.
Okay.
And we will, so we have that relationship. So we are not new to this thing. In 2019, we signed the contract with AICTE. Okay. So we are implementing it, and every day we talk to at least a couple of colleges on this side. And from AICTE side, like I said to you, the link on AICTE's internship portal as well as on the placement portal, they are working on putting a link to our CGN portal. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the basis for what we are doing. And we are extending this because we think that placement, see, we are basically a innovative company that teaches students on how to do innovative projects and how to do startups. Okay. So these colleges that we have been talking to and providing them with internships, this we have been doing for the last 10 years. Now we are creating this innovative platform for placement, and it's all student driven. Okay. So we'll be using student internship as a way of promoting this in all the colleges. So that's why essentially two things happen. One is the same platform is used for placement as well as for giving internships. And actual internships are also conducted where the students can participate in creating various programs for this placement. Okay. So whatever you saw, Kishore, you are showing something.
Yeah, which is windmill of student power. Yes.
Yeah. So that's the way we look at internship, it's not about just doing some submission, but it's about empowering students. Now, that's all. Fortunately, Prime Minister made it as a part of all the, they call it OJT. Okay, so a part of NEP 2020, the initiative is to understand students' hobbies and connect them to the technology. So give them internships that can help them both develop their hobbies as well as learn technology or
Sir,
management, depending on
sir,
the
let me ask
yes,
one question. So if the
sure.
students are enrolled for these programs that you are offering, how they will be able to do it? Is it by online or some you have some
Everything is online. Everything is
thing is
online.
uh,
Everything is online. Student power, just like, finally it is our students, young generation that promotes, the projects like whether it's YouTube or Facebook. They all
okay,
become successful because all these young people participate in that. Okay.
okay, fine, okay,
So
fine.
same way we
Now
think
the
that working from home they will be able to do this.
okay, that's fine. So now the steps that we have to do is enroll the students for the programs, right?
Yes. So some people can be just the users, and some people can also be actually helping us in building this.
Now, prior to that, do we have to sign an MOU with your firm?
Depending on what's your procedure, we have an MOU and teacher will share that with you.
Okay.
Yeah, I have already shared with you, sir. Suresh Babu, sir, I have shared you the MOU and the presentation and also the internship details and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever you're ready, we'll discuss how to sign up and how to direct without MOU also. In meanwhile, if you want to send your students,
Okay.
students directly can join our startup world, where I have already shared you that link as well in the email. So
Okay.
they can directly join
Okay.
later on
Fine.
once they, yeah.
Okay.
So this is all about one of the student, as Avinash Kulkarni sir has told you, this is all about windmill of student power energy. And sir, you're saying something, sir. Avinash.
Mm-hmm.
So this is all how to. The simple point is will create his talent. We they don't. I mean, we don't want to waste their talent. Okay, once if the person wants to do something like video editing, he wants to do some short film, he can directly run with our CJ, and he'll be placed with multiple tasks and do they can do. So every single aspect is important for the student. So this is how actually which we came up with a window of student power. And as Avinash Kulkarni sir told that implement of NEP. So implement of NEP OJT, which is on the training between middle of student energy and internship at colleges, how we are trying to implement. So we're trying to meet decisions maker like you, HOD or deans or TPOs, or who can take a decision inside the college, and the team leaders, student leaders, so that once after that we'll assign some project mentor and departmental coordinators. From there, we'll select some students, enthusiastic students who can run season in the college with us, and also run the season wherever he is, and also he can explore it in a better way by people who can't reach out, as I mentioned you. Some people from villages or tribal area, some local places, they can't reach out to the every corporate company or institutes. Better than paying, there is a single platform where everything will be getting. So after that, the student will upload his KYC documents, knowing your college, everything, and identify energy coordinators who can spend their time in such as clubs. I mean, like as you have for NCC, NSS, and also sports club, we'll find those captain leaders whoever and coordinators, and we create a technology team leader where who can run the process in a handle the team and all. From creating a technology team leader, will manage a team leader, manage And from there, we create team leaders with multiple domains, the departments, and student membership enrollment. And also, we'll create after that sponsor advisors who can, as I mentioned, we sponsor advisors and coordinate contracts. And also, we'll teach every team leader how to complete his task in CGM, how to implement, how to handle the team, what are the event tasks, and at what by what time to be completed, and what are the time slots. Everything will be taught in single platform. And student team and CGN to connect to the sponsor and advisor and employers, where CGN and also the students will contact with the sponsors and advisors and also employers, where to get CGN to implement. At the same time, student also get benefit with this his internship and all. He can showcase his internship that this person worked in CGN by this task and this assignment, this work, this kind of activities and all. And sponsor advisors contract, and also employer contract and scheduling it, and also plan CGN club and implementation and launch there everywhere, so that every student can get benefit of CGN. So this is how our implementation of CGN in EAP 2020. And so most of the thing is the student need to focus areas. These are the focus areas where really student need to, because this is the right generation. They need the proper guidance and proper career advice, and also what are the criteria where to find a job, what are the dream job. Every student, most of the 99.9%, not 99, we can take 100%. 100% student have the dream job. For sure, everyone, even not a student, even anyone has their dream job to find out. But how to focus it? What are the criteria? Find a job, how to represent himself in an interview, how to give a presentation himself, and employability, which skill enhancement and career advice. Corporate branding, which is showcasing from company culture, how the company culture looks and how to adopt it and all. And open positions, what are the openings, what are the job availabilities, which company does have what, and also resume. As I mentioned earlier, we have video resumes and everything. So it will be more easy by creating video resumes and sending to the companies or something, where by student himself, by getting trained by communication skills, like everything in one single page, one single video, where it'll find HRs or employers, managers will good impression based on his communication. They'll feel that, oh, this guy is doing in good in communications and good in these many couple of internship, and he's good in tasks and everything. He's working on different, and how to find a dream job, how to find his dream job if a student want to join somewhere in Google company. So how to find the job? So what are the criteria if I want to join in Google company? What are the internships required where I need to do? And what are the skill set I needs to me to go there? So these all, and the most important, which is how to find the appropriate team member if, once I get a job, but how to find the guidance of employer. So these all are the major aspects where student needs to be focused in single line and to grab himself in the next level. So these are the delivery method of our broadcast. I mean, the jobs and everything, which, as I mentioned, we have all the job descriptions and everything we'll be posting in our ads. So, as I mentioned, we already affiliated with AICTE and Intenshala. So we are the Smart Cookies 360. So we do broadcasting in broadcast TV channel, campus TV, college channels, AICTE channel, and also UGC channels, Swayam Prabha channel, and internet TVs, where we do all broadcasting, where how we deliver we give 100% to deliver all these things to these TV channels, where the student, employer, and colleges can get benefit of this. So do you have any questions till now? Do you have any idea or any solutions till now?
Sir, that's okay. That's okay. I understood most of the things.
Okay. Do you have any? So till now, how did you like this thing?
Yeah,
What do you feel?
this is very good thing. I think it's very useful for our students and it will help them. I can assure.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
So, going to the last three slides, just wanted to know about how CGN works and how what is reward points, corporate reward points, and all this, just in a 3 slides. So,
Okay.
interaction strategies. Sir. This is interaction strategy where we create, implement AI technology to gather interaction feedback. And we will get a real-time feedback or any kind of understanding, performance needs, or anything about CGN or anything which is student. Everything will be real-time feedback will be implemented with AI and also campaign app, which is friends of CGN. So whoever want develop dedicated app for seamless engagement allows real-time feedback to broadcast TV viewers where every the people once we get a viewers we need to be more conscious by giving a 100% accurate information with the good responsibilities everything. So real-time interaction tools where if the student does not have a Zoom, we can example today for us you downloaded the Zoom application for us to create to discuss for a discussion or meeting. So in case if you don't have a Zoom meeting, we'll go with a Google meeting, Skype, GI, TSL, WhatsApp video, Telegram. So every aspect we are not going to leave in any single aspect for any development for CGNL. And Prastaham Mudra rewards, which student will get a reward based on not only student, the colleges also get a reward point, the candidate who is working this thing. So each reward point will give which implements which will be helpful for the student where he can like example to be very specific. I mean, just very quick example. His resume will be get highlighted with 5 star, 4 star, 10 star by that based on his activity. By viewing CGN shows activities like participating in CGN programs, providing feedback on program content. So all kind of activities, whatever he does, he'll be getting a fee. This employee of until he's being an employee, so he'll be getting all kind of reward points, which will be helpful for each step for growth for his growth. So this is our interaction strategies. And the show idea actually was beginning the simple categories of show idea, which is career explanation of advice. So these are the most important 11 points which was implement of this show, where a day in life of professionals and job search, industry, startups and company size of culture and personal branding and skill development transition and unique career situations, deliver diversity, and so all these are the main aspects to the show ideas where creative and to implement better with the better ideas. So going to the main important point, another important point, as I mentioned you, we'll be posting our job ads in the CGN channel. So there is another team we have, which is called JN, which is Job News Network. As earlier you saw that we have a TV channel, CGN channel application. Inside that, we will be posting a job descriptions, which will be created. We will be having a digital marketer, and also we have a research team, and also HR who will work with all the job descriptions, and they'll be sending to us. Once we receive it, we will be there is an anchor. The anchor will read the job description in a proper way, and after the video, it will be posted, send it to our drive where the video editors will edit the videos, which everything will be online, and video editors will be edit the video, and it will be sending to the next level where sound quality, audio quality, video quality will be added, and the next will they'll be adding graphics, designs, and logos, which will be created with the final output, and it will be scheduled in the campus TV. And after that, which is also into the CGN, where social media platform like YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, everywhere will be posted by GNL team. Those ads will be posted in CGN2, where the student directly can look into the post, and every student can directly go with the job description. He can in the job description, video job description will be updated with the links and everything. So he can directly go with the links. So nowadays, 80% of students or seniors who have experience, we are trying to find job in LinkedIn or somewhere, but they are getting lots of time, lack of time to find a job. They don't know how to find it. I mean, what are the right ways or right areas to. So this will be the another plus addition to CGN, where find a job with a single click in by listening to the job, listening to the news. And summary of team required, it is content creation team, technical support team, marketing and outreach team, user engagement team, live events and webinar who can create live events and webinars, and analytics and improvement team, community building, feedback loop, and final evaluation team. So CGN team members required, we are currently choose technology who can run our CGN with more advanced technologies and AIs and now streaming platform, everything. And marketing, the person who can market our CGN with better ways and advanced engagement and all. A program scheduler who can schedule our programs with exact time and all in a different place and different channels and students and all. And programmers to TV programmers, where who can from A to B, from everywhere. And the most important thing is production team required, which is cameraman, video editors, audio editors, script writer, director, assistant.
Kishore, let's stop here
Mhm.
and let's try to understand from sir's side
Yeah.
what kind of internships will be valuable to their students, what kind of skills they have, what kind of interests they have. So let's understand. See, there are two things. The students as users, so they're getting benefited in terms of finding a job or finding an internship. Okay, those are obvious things. Any student can get the benefit. And second part is, who are the people who can help us in building this platform?
Yeah, I already mentioned that, sir. I already mentioned.
No, I understand, but let's hear from sir's side.
Yeah.
So the whole idea is to learn. Whole idea is to learn how this can be implemented in their college.
Yes. Yes.
So, sir, please, at this point, we would like to listen to you.
Sure, sir. Can you please tell us something? Sir, you are in the mute, sir. Hello. Suraj Babu, sir, are you there?
Okay, sir, you continue. You mean this production team, how we are going to implement it, right?
Yeah, I mean, in your college. I mean, also, what are the
That's what I'm confused. How this can.
No, that's why we want to pause here, sir. See, everything is not necessarily for every college. Okay.
Yeah.
Some college has media people, some college has mass communication people, whereas some college have only programmers. Okay.
No,
so
we don't
just want to.
Sir, what I am trying to say is we don't have experts in many of these areas. That's what.
Yeah, we don't need experts, sir. We don't need experts. Like YouTube, okay. All over the world, college students create their own YouTube channel. Okay. They are not experts because the technology that we have made, the YouTube has made, is so easy that anybody can put a home video on YouTube, okay, or Facebook or Instagram. The idea is that the product should be used by the millions and billions of masses. Okay. So we are doing that. Okay. Now,
Okay.
in the process,
Suresh Babu,
Kishore, just
yes,
wait
sir.
1 minute. So,
Yeah,
simplest
sure,
thing
please.
is these people coming in, attending this TV show and getting their jobs and internship. Okay, so they will be interviewed, they will be given the assignment. So that's one part. If there are any students that want to learn how to do technology development, how to do marketing, or how to run a TV channel, okay, then those options are available for your management students, okay, so that they can join then any media company, whether it's Netflix or Amazon Prime or whatever, okay.
Fine.
So,
Okay.
so these are the options we wanted to know for your college, which one makes sense.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Suresh Babu, sir, just one more quick important note I just wanted to tell you. The applications and the tools what we are running and all, a very good information I wanted to give you. No one is, everything was designed and working by every our student and students. Which is, I want to make it very clear. And we have Avi sir, he can also tell you the same thing. So we have a major managers, team operations and everything, who is very senior, but they'll be giving a task and they'll be guiding. They have any questions or anything, they'll be get guidance again. So every single applications or tools what we are running today, which was designed by interns since last 20 years, 25 years. This is the track record what we are maintaining. The AICT 360 reward point smart cookies 360 and all these we are supporting with the intern students. So this is how we develop our career. So no one, most of the students with the came with the zero knowledge and going with the amazing talent. I mean, it does not mean that key students should come with the zero knowledge, but at least, yeah, of course, they should be.
Kishore, you have given good amount of information. Let's learn from sir right now what he thinks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What kind of students are available?
Yeah.
What kind of projects would they be interested in? What kind of internships they are doing right now?
Yeah.
Now, sir,
please?
first thing is, you are a HOD of which department, sir?
I'm HOD of instrumentation engineering.
Instrumentation engineering. Okay. Now, is your placement driven at department level or is it driven at the college level?
It is
there
given at college level. College level placement. Yeah.
Okay. So who is the person that is involved in driving the placements as well as the internships?
Yeah, his name is Mr. Venugopal.
Mr. Venugopal.
He is a lecturer in computer engineering.
I see. Would you be able to connect us to him?
Yeah, I can share his phone number, email ID.
Okay, that will be great.
Yeah.
And then are students involved in this process? Like some colleges, the internship is driven by the management students. Okay. How is it done in your college?
Internships that we are our department only organizing internships.
Okay.
Okay.
That's but not is it done? Is it done by the faculty or is it done by the students?
It is actually what we are doing is now we are telling students to find out. Hello, is it audible?
Yeah, it's audible.
Yeah. Internship this time only in our curriculum it is included. So students are searching for companies, suitable companies, and they will come to their guide that they will say we want internship. We are ready to go internship. We got internships from this company, and please allow in that way, if they convey, we will allow the students to do internships. Actually,
Right,
for
right.
internship is there for second year students and 3 weeks internship for first year students.
I see. Now, so the students that are involved in arranging this, are they called like class representatives or something like that? Are they the
Yeah.
CRs or
Make me a pardon,
or
sir. Make me a pardon. Not getting.
you know, like some colleges
Yeah.
for every class they have CR,
Yeah.
class representatives, who
Ah.
drive the internship. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Is it the same way in your college?
Yeah. Same way. Same way.
Okay. So, can we get the CRs also on the call, just like the TPOs?
Yeah.
Can we get the CRs on the call so that we can understand
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
kind of internship they are looking for?
Yeah. 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 We can give you.
So, Kishore, and sir, this MOU that you talked about, should it be done at the principals, at the dean's level? Dean of your college will be involved in signing the MOU. Who will sign it? Is it done at HOD level or dean level?
No. In our college, it is done through principal level MOU.
Principal. Okay. So whatever MOU that Kishore has sent you, you know, maybe you can give it to the principal, and if he wants to sign it, we'll be more than happy to sign that.
Okay, fine. Okay, sir. I will do one thing. I will make a meeting with our principal and let you know.
Okay, and also with the TPO as well as
Fine.
the class representatives.
Okay. Can I
All right?
can I leave the meeting now, sir? Because I have some
Sure.
other emergency call now.
Sure, sir. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you.
What happened? Kishore is not there on call? Anyway, Sheshma, Aditi, Apurva, and Kenvi. Okay. I have only 4 of you on this call. Okay. Now, what did you learn from this presentation? Was this useful? Anybody that cannot talk, you can hang up. Okay. Stay on this call only if you can talk.
Yes, sir, it's useful.
Okay. How is it useful? What did
Gathered
we?
all the informations from different sites, collecting the informations and gather the data and present it in.
Was he the right person for what we wanted to do? Was he the right person?
No, sir.
Who is that?
So this is Seshma.
Yes, Sheshma.
So I don't think he was the right person because he mentioned someone else was there who is into computer science engineering lecturer who takes care of all the student placements.
Right. So we were talking to the wrong person. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice person. He can be
Yes.
helpful. So I'm not saying it was useless. Okay.
Oh,
It
no,
was useful.
yeah.
Okay. It is useful. Every contact is useful. Okay. But he was not the right person. Okay. Now this we could have discovered even before starting the meeting. Okay. But we did not do the planning, which is what we should do from next time onward. Okay, Kishore?
Okay, sir.
You know, the person that you are getting is some person in that college who was involved in the 360-degree feedback. Okay. Now
Okay.
the 360 feedback is your first and most important credential. Okay.
Okay.
Never say we are connected to Internshala. We have nothing to do with Internshala. Okay? AICTE, yes, but nothing to do with Internshala. Now, in the beginning itself, we establish our relationship with the AICTE. Okay, because all these people, especially in the government colleges, they have been involved in 360-degree feedback. Okay. So the 360-degree feedback is something that establishes our credibility. Because he asked, are other colleges doing it? Because it's a basic question coming in because they want to make sure that we are legitimate. Okay. So that is established by our AICTE relationship. Okay. And but
Sir,
yes, go ahead, sir.
sir, I think we should end the YouTube live.
What is that?
I think we should end the YouTube live. This discussion is also being live.
Okay. You can end that. Who is